Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi. If you're experiencing wireless network connectivity problems, don't worry as you're not alone. Many users have reported on the official forum that the iPhone is struggling to connect to Wi-Fi. For example, the device will drop the Wi-Fi connection and then not reconnect. Or, no Wi-Fi bars showing up at the corner of the screen after connecting and apps run extremely slowly. In this guide, we'll go over the reasons why the iPhone won't connect to a Wi-Fi network first. Then, we'll introduce a list of workable troubleshooting steps you can try on your own to resolve the Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Now, let's move on. Why is your iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi? There could be a number of reasons. Here are a few common factors. The Wi-Fi router or modem is malfunctioning. The iPhone is not close enough to the Wi-Fi router. The Wi-Fi network or its password is incorrect. The Wi-Fi function was accidentally turned off. There is a Wi-Fi connection issue to be solved. iPhone has a system glitch, runs an old iOS or is attacked by a serious software error. Network issues prevent the iPhone from connecting to Wi-Fi like enabled airplane mode, network conflicts and so on. iPhone's components are damaged by accidental drops or liquid spills. Now, keep watching to see how to fix an iPhone that's not connecting to Wi-Fi. We'll start from eliminating the router's problems, then followed by fixing the phone issues. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods to get Wi-Fi working again on an iPhone step by step. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Restart Wi-Fi router and modem. Let's begin with a simple method when your iPhone won't connect to home Wi-Fi. Locate the router and modem and shut them down by unplugging the cables or pressing the power button. After a few minutes, plug all the cables back in the position correctly or press the power button again to turn on the router and modem. Besides, a stable wireless connection suggests an iPhone to be within 30 feet of the router. So, make sure both your iPhone and the router are close enough. Remove the phone case if any to decrease signal noise. Now, connect the wireless network again and see if you manage to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on iPhone. Make sure you've connected to the right Wi-Fi network. It's easy to ignore that different Wi-Fi networks might have the same name. If you find an iPhone keeps telling you the messages like unable to connect to Wi-Fi or the password is wrong, it's likely that you connected to the wrong network. In this case, how to fix an iPhone that won't connect to Wi-Fi? The easiest way is to rename the Wi-Fi SSID to make it easy to identify. If there is another phone connected to the Wi-Fi, check the WLAN address on that phone and select the Wi-Fi network with the same address. Test if other devices can connect to the Wi-Fi. Test the Wi-Fi network in different devices to narrow down if the router is at fault. For example, try connecting the same Wi-Fi on another phone, tablet, or computer. If the Wi-Fi is not working on other devices, then consider contacting the manufacturer of the router or modem to figure out the problems. If the iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi but other devices will, there might be something wrong with the device. Follow the instructions below to rule out the potential problems and get online again. Disable Wi-Fi icon on iPhone, then enable. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Make sure the Wi-Fi feature is enabled on your iPhone. If it's on, toggle it off for 1 minute then turn it back on. This step triggers the system to resolve the previous failure and refresh the Wi-Fi connection attempt. Now, if your iPhone connects to Wi-Fi successfully this time, see the details for Wi-Fi connection issues. In some cases, iPhone is unable to connect to Wi-Fi because the device diagnoses that there is an issue with the network. For example, the error "no internet connection." Though, the good news is that such alerts often come with guidance for troubleshooting. Just go to Settings and tap Wi-Fi or WLAN. Tap the Wi-Fi network with the error alert and see the details to fix the Wi-Fi connection issue. Restart the device. The steps vary depending on your iPhone models. If you're using an iPhone 10 or newer iPhone models, press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button and drag the slider to shut down the device. After 30 seconds, press and hold the side button and release when the Apple logo appears and your iPhone boots up. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, press and hold the side button and drag the slider to shut down the device. After 30 seconds, press and hold the side button and release when the Apple logo appears and your iPhone boots up. This can help fix minor issues and may help connect to Wi-Fi again on your iPhone. Toggle off airplane mode. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Locate the airplane icon. If it's enabled, tap it to turn it off. Doing so can help resolve the potential conflicts from airplane mode that cause iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi problems. Forget Wi-Fi network, then reconnect. Go to the Settings app. Choose Wi-Fi or WLAN. Locate the name of the wireless network that your iPhone won't connect to. Then, tap the information icon next to the network. Choose Forget this network. To confirm, tap Forget. Sometimes, this simple trick will help fix up the unexpected errors when you can't connect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Next, reconnect the network. Enter the password if needed, and then see if your iPhone connects to the Wi-Fi this time. Reset iPhone's network settings. To fix an iPhone that won't connect to a Wi-Fi network, this method works to reset all the network settings. Aside from the Wi-Fi networks, cellular settings, VPN, Bluetooth, and so on will be also restored to defaults. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and select Reset Network Settings from the menu. After that, reconnect the Wi-Fi network and see if the iPhone Wi-Fi problem is resolved. Install the latest iOS on the phone. Check to see if your iPhone has any available software updates. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is an update, install the firmware to update your iPhone once done. Reconnect the Wi-Fi network to see if the connection works this time. Perform a factory reset. Attempting this step to fix iPhone's Wi-Fi connection issues will result in data loss. So, you'd better back up the essential data and content in iCloud or computer first before going on. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Read the warning carefully and tap Erase iPhone. Your iPhone will reset. When it turns back on, it'll start from the initial hello screen. Set it up from there and test if the Wi-Fi is connecting and working as expected during the setup. Get more help from experts. You've done almost all you can do to fix an iPhone that is not connecting to Wi-Fi. If the issue still remains, please refer to the official support for further troubleshooting. You can schedule a repair service online first to get help connecting to Wi-Fi on your iPhone. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix an iPhone that can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.